Before committing to concrete pavers for your outdoor space, there are a few important downsides every homeowner should consider. According to a trusted Chandler installer, while concrete pavers offer affordability and versatility, they can also be prone to cracking under Arizona's extreme temperatures. Over time, UV exposure may cause color fading, and without proper sealing, water absorption can lead to erosion or shifting. Weeds may also grow through unsealed joints, adding to maintenance headaches. That's why professional installation and material choice are crucial. Knowing these potential issues up front can help you make a smarter, longer-lasting investment in your landscaping project. If you're exploring pavers, it's worth consulting with a contractor who understands the unique demands of Arizona soil and sun, like the experienced team at Paradise Hardscapes. For expert advice and long-lasting results, contact Paradise Hardscapes, pavers and turf installers, design and construction, Phoenix, AZ at 1930 East 3rd Street, Suite 8, Tempe, Arizona 85288. Call 480-680-8278, email info@paradisepaversandturf.com, or visit paradisepaversandturf.com today.